Welcome to the MERTS instructional video for exporting transactions. To begin, activate the Reports tab. If you would like to export all the transactions from the committee file, first create a new report in the Reports tab. The new report should have the coverage date starting with the very first report within the committee file and ending the date of the last transaction listed. If you would like to export only transactions within a specific report, highlight that report from the Reports tab. Now that you have the report highlighted, select File and then select Export Transactions. This will prompt an Export Transactions information window. Select the transaction types that you would like to export, or leave the default setting as all types in this list. Select Browse to choose the location to save your transaction file. Name the file and select Save. Select OK to continue. A window will appear showing how many records have been exported. Select OK to continue. The file can be opened by using Notepad or Microsoft Excel. To open the file in Excel, first open the Microsoft application. Select File, then Open. You may have to select all files from the Files of the Type drop-down. Locate the exported transaction file. Highlight the file and select Open. This will prompt a text import wizard, step 1 of 3. Leave the delimited radio button selected as default. Select Next to continue. In step 2, uncheck the tab box and check the comma box. Select Finish. Your transactions will appear in an Excel spreadsheet. Make sure to save your file after updating. Please note, making changes to the export file will not reflect in the committee MERTS file. It also cannot be imported back into the software. For additional assistance, visit www.mertsplus.com. Thank you.